Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. Today I will show you how to place, how to customize the table or JTable here in NetBeans. So basically, just navigate your cursor into Swing Controls. In my workspace, so the table is located at the last part of the components here. Just click and place it here in our frame. So you see we have here placeholder in the columns. So title 1, title 2, title 3, and so on and so forth. If you want to change this, just right click and go to table contents. We have here columns. Here in title, like for example, we are creating system for personal information. So I will set it last name, first name, middle initial, and or middle name basically, and age. Now here in type, so we can set its type, like for example, when we are talking about name, so it can be string. Okay, so the type is, we can set it into string. But if we are talking about age, so basically this is numerical value. So instead of string, we can choose integer. But if we are talking about the monetary value, the one that has a cents, we can choose float or double. Okay, so once we close this, you see it changed the actual title here. Now, given that we don't have any database connection yet, just pure graphical user interface lesson, if we want to add information here, so just right click again, table contents, here in rows, just for example, last name, Doe, John De La Cruz, age is like 32. Okay, close, and it changes or it add the data. Now if we want to add another column here, so just right click, table contents, and here in column, just click the insert, or you can actually change the count based on your preference. And here we can actually set again the properties, name, let's say address, or just like this, and let's see, close, it added. Now what if I want to insert again, but this time ID number or ID, and I want it to move it up, so it should like before the last name, so just move it up, click the move up button. So close, and here you go. That's it, and I hope that you learned here in our short lesson. Thank you very much. Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel.